Hey there! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Media Encoder for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, head over to Adobe's official website by clicking the link in the description below. Once you're there, find and click the Free Trial button. Choose the Business Plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore all the robust encoding and media management tools Adobe Media Encoder has to offer. Next, hit Continue, enter your email address, and press Continue again. You'll need to fill in your personal details and payment information, but Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel any time before the 14 days are up. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and Subscribe. After that, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're good to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Media Encoder, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Media Encoder is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're encoding videos, optimizing media, or managing file formats, you're all set to get started.